Here's the KUSI News at 10.
Good evening. I'm Sandra Moss.
And I'm Alan Denton. Thanks for joining us tonight.
It is an outbreak like San Diego has never seen before. There have been a record number of pertussis or whooping cough cases so far this year, an illness that can be deadly. KUSI's Kristen Casado is here now with more.
Sandra, it starts as a persistent cough and a runny nose. It's followed by weeks of rapid coughing fits. Pertussis is more common than very young or very old. But if you're not protected, you're not immune.
Whooping cough is something that's preventable, and your child can die. Your parent can die.
The numbers are staggering, record-breaking, in fact. There have been 1,183 cases of pertussis or whooping cough in San Diego County so far this year. Last year, there were a total of 431 cases. And although the very contagious respiratory bacteria peaks every 3 to 4 years, this is shocking public health officials. So, what can you do to protect your family? Get vaccinated, says Dr. Lila Schmidt, especially if you're pregnant.
Important. It's a series of 5. It's not like just one vaccination and you're good to go. It starts when you're a couple months old, and by the time you're 5, you're finished with the series. So kids, when they go to school at the age of 5, in the old days, were protected. But now a lot of parents opt out of vaccinations.
Dr. Schmidt says now is not the time to avoid having your child get shots as whooping cough whips through the county. It's risk versus reward, she says. To prevent the spread of the bacteria, wash your hands with soap and hot water and use towels to dry them. Avoid hand sanitizers and those air dry machines. If you're healthier, your chances of getting a disease, even if you're exposed, go down.
I would get vaccinated. Just do the basics that your mom taught you. Wash your hands, get enough sleep, eat vegetables, drink water. You know, if someone is sick, stay away from them, you know.
They sound like simple reminders, but wash your hands before you eat. Use your knuckle to call for the elevator. Cough into your elbow. Just be smart so you don't get sick. And if you have questions about getting immunized, go to sdiz.org. Kristen Casado, KUSI News.